Hello everyone! Today I would like to show you how I make gingerbread Christmas tree ornaments. They are so beautiful and fragrant decoration for holiday tree. Making such a lovely tree ornament is pretty simple. So let's get started. The first part, I make caramel with 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar is melting. Now I'm adding water. The caramel is done. You can see that it's nice gold color. Next part, I'm adding 2 cups of sugar. Now I'll cool down. I have Polish herbs for gingerbread cookies, gingers, so I will use it. 1 cup of honey. All my ingredients cool down. Now we'll put 6 cups of flour, 2 eggs, vanilla 1 teaspoon, and baking soda 1.5 teaspoon, and 4 ounces melted butter. And now I'll mix everything gently in a bowl. First part I mix with the wooden spoon. Now I have to use my own hands. I'll work on a flour board, and it will be the last process. Small piece of dough. Rest I put on the side. A little bit flour on the bottom, on the top, and the roll. Both sides. Be sure it's enough flour on the flour board. And now I will use the glass to cutting circle. I have 6 perfect circle. So each form I use a little bit butter, and I put on a side of my form to prevent sticking. Okay, next step. Each form I put the circle. It's done. Next step, the forms with the ornaments. I will put on the parchment paper. Now I'll put on the top of ornament egg for nice shine effect. I use whole egg. Now I will bake for 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. The gingerbread ornament I bake for 10 minutes and looks like they're ready. To remove gingerbread ornament from the form, you have to insert knife and just wiggle a little bit, and look at this, beautiful, perfect.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a-singing, 6 geese a-laying.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. Merry Christmas to everyone. Wesołych Świąt Bożego Narodzenia.